Imagine stepping into a luxury home, then realizing you're inside a motorhome with 2 full floors. This is no ordinary RV. From hidden elevators to rooftop lounges, this double-decker beast will leave you speechless. Welcome to the future of travel. Welcome back to GYP Auto. Today, we're diving into one of the most mind-blowing creations in the world of luxury travel. The most insane double-floor motorhome ever built. If you think you've seen everything the RV world has to offer, think again. This 2-story motorhome is in a league of its own, redefining the concept of mobile living with its futuristic design, high-tech features, and jaw-dropping comfort. From the outside, this motorhome already makes a powerful impression. Its massive size and streamlined aerodynamic design are enough to turn heads on any highway. But it's what lies inside that truly makes it extraordinary. As you enter, you're greeted by a luxury interior that feels more like a high-end hotel. Sweet than an RV. Real hardwood flooring, ambient LED lighting, premium leather seating, and custom-designed cabinetry set the tone for what's to come. The main floor features a fully equipped kitchen with built-in appliances, a spacious living area with a widescreen entertainment system, and a dining space that seats 6 comfortably. It even includes a full bathroom with a walk-in shower and designer fixtures. But what truly sets this motorhome apart is the second level. Yes, you heard that right, a second story, accessed via a retractable staircase or an optional mini elevator. The upper floor is nothing short of stunning. Depending on the model, it can be configured as a panoramic sky lounge, a master bedroom with a 360-degree view, or even a rooftop terrace with outdoor seating and a retractable canopy. Imagine parking at a scenic location and enjoying sunset views from your own private rooftop deck. Performance-wise, this motorhome doesn't disappoint either. It's built on a high-torque chassis capable of handling the vehicle's weight with ease, powered by a turbo diesel engine with smooth automatic transmission. Despite its enormous size, its advanced steering and suspension systems provide a surprisingly stable and comfortable ride. Tech lovers will appreciate the smart control systems integrated throughout the vehicle. Everything from lighting to climate control can be managed via touchscreen panels or your smartphone. There's even a solar power option and energy-efficient batteries to keep things running. Off-grid, whether you're planning cross-country adventures or living full-time on the road, this double-floor motorhome offers unmatched luxury and flexibility. It's more than a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement, a symbol of freedom combined with ultimate comfort. That's all for today's incredible review on GYP Auto. If you loved this insane motorhome as much as we did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a ride into the future of mobility.